Gujarat government to run schools in shifts to adjust extra students. Appointments for US student visa interviews to start on June 14th. Doctors urge Delhi High Court to postpone foreign medical graduate examination 2021 due to COVID-19. Delhi government cancels exams for classes 9 and 11 students to be evaluated based on midterm scores. Uttar Pradesh government seeks help of IIT and IIM students to train madrasa teachers about online mode of teaching. IIT Delhi to offer MTech course in electric mobility. Telangana Inter second year exams cancelled. Assam to conduct board exams in mid-July if COVID-19 positivity rate drops below 2%. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Sanya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: in order to accommodate about 8.57 lakh students in the wake of mass promotion of class 10 this year, the state government is staring at an estimated shortage of around 3,000 classrooms and nearly 6,000 teachers for class 11 students. Going by the past percentages of the secondary school certificate board exams conducted in the past 2 years, this would add almost 3 to 3.5 lakh students in class 11 in the new academic year. The state government has, however, ruled out the chance of building new classes in government and grant in 8 schools for the purpose and adjust these additional students by running schools in 2 shifts. When these return to offline classes, sources in the education department said for the shortage of around 6,000 teachers, the state government plans to rope in visiting teachers rather than recruit new faculty for higher secondary government and grant in 8 schools. Appointments for student visa interviews will open on Monday across the country, US Counselor for Consular Affairs Don Heflin said on Thursday. Students will be interviewed over July and August at consulates for their visa, for which they can book appointments on the designated website when slots open on Monday morning. More slots will be added at a later date, said Heflin in a Facebook Live session. He said US consulates had cut back their services in light of the COVID-19 pandemic, considering the health and safety of their staff, which affected their ability to provide appointments for student visa interviews. Answering a query from a student visa applicant on quarantine and COVID-19 vaccination requirements, Heflin recommended checking the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention website for quarantine rules. The Association of MD Physicians has urged the Delhi High Court to postpone the foreign medical graduate examination screening test due to the COVID-19 situation in the country. The exam is scheduled to be held on June 18th. The association, which also has as members some foreign medical graduates who have completed their primary medical courses in institutions abroad, said there are a limited number of cities being notified as centers from the FMGE screening test, and a large number of candidates will be forced to travel without having received even one dose of COVID-19 vaccine. However, the plea was opposed by the Council for National Board of Examination and National Medical Commission on the ground that it was only a qualifying exam that can be taken by petitioners even in December, if not in June, and the test should not be postponed at the behest of a few candidates. After hearing submissions of both sides, Justice Amit Bansal asked the council to place on record certain documents and listed the matter for further hearing on Friday. The plea said that in accordance with the Indian Medical Council Act and Screening Test Regulations 2002, persons possessing medical qualifications awarded by foreign institutions are required to qualify the FMGE screening test in order to receive recognition for their medical qualifications and to be registered to the state medical councils to practice medicine in India. Delhi Education Minister Manish Sisodia has announced that the Class 9 and Class 11 examinations are cancelled. Class 9 and Class 11 examinations, which were postponed on April 12th, are now cancelled. Private schools that conducted mid-term and annual exams before the lockdown can declare the students' results. Government, private, and government-aided schools that have conducted only the midterm exams and not the annual exams will promote students based on midterm exam scores, Sisodia said. The minister in the press conference presented guidelines for schools for making students in class 9 and 11 and also discussed the admissions process. The minister in the press conference presented guidelines for schools for marking students in class 9 and 11 and also discussed the admissions process. Schools that have not been able to conduct mid-term exams for all the subjects will release the result on the basis of best two subjects marks. Delhi government will release the result on June 22nd. Students will be able to see the result on the website through SMS and WhatsApp. They will not have to go to school for checking the result, he added. The Uttar Pradesh government has decided to conduct training for madrasa teachers to make them more well versed with the online mode of teaching. Administrative officers of the state, educationists and students of IIMs and IITs will provide training to the madrasa teachers for online education of students enrolled under the UP Madrasa Board. An online training program was organized by the board on Wednesday. Member Language Committee, UP Madrasa Board, Danish Azad, said online education of students has started in madrasas in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic. The UP Madrasa Board, in collaboration with the Language Committee, is conducting division-wise training session for teachers on taking online classes for students, he said. The discussions are on with a few former and present IIT and IIM students to provide online education training to madrasa teachers, Azad said, adding that many have agreed to the board's request. The Indian Institute of Technology Delhi will start a new postgraduate program in electric mobility from the academic session 2021-22. The MTech course in electric mobility will be offered by the Institute's Center for Automotive Research and Tribology. The program will cover key aspects related to electric vehicles, drivetrain, chargers, charging infrastructure, battery energy storage systems, battery management system, reusability of energy storage elements, reliability, automotive health monitoring, automotive NVH, vehicle dynamics, autonomous and connected vehicles, vehicular telematics and materials for an electric vehicle, along with hands-on practice and design in laboratories. Candidates with 4 years bachelor's degree in electrical engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, mechanical engineering, industrial engineering, production engineering, mechatronics, automobile, manufacturing, science or engineering, and GATE qualified in either electrical engineering or mechanical engineering or production and industrial engineering disciplines will be eligible to apply for the program. The Telangana government on Wednesday decided to cancel the intermediate second year, that is class 12 public examinations in view of the prevailing COVID-19 pandemic. Announcing the decision, the state education minister P. Sabita Indra Reddy said the results for the intermediate second year students would be announced after preparing the modalities. She said that a committee has been appointed on the issue. About 4,56,000 students are in the intermediate second year. If any students wish to take the exams, the government would take a decision after the COVID-19 situation improved, the minister said. The state government had earlier cancelled class 10 and intermediate first year exams and decided to promote the students in view of the pandemic. The Assam government has decided to conduct the class 10 and 12 board exams in July or August if the COVID-19 positivity rate drops below 2%. Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma said on Thursday. Addressing a press conference in Guwahati, he said that the guardians of the students and several students' organizations are in favor of holding the state board exams. We also want to hold the examination in mid of July in a suitable environment for the students. If the COVID-19 positivity rate comes down below 2% in the first week of July, then we will hold the examinations. If positivity rate will increase above 2%, then we will cancel the examination. We don't want to take any risk of student health, Himanta Biswa Sarma said. The examination will be held in between July 15 to 20th. The boys and girls will appear in the examination separately so that social distance should be maintained, the Chief Minister said. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website theenn.com and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Sanya.